Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 6 from exercise 14.3. In this very particular question we have to find the mean, mode and median. हमें तीनों चीज़ें find out करनी है, तो we will try it to find one by one. First of all, let us take the mean. Here since the numbers are smaller, so we can use the direct method also. For direct method we have to find out the value of first of all xi. Xi is 1 plus 4, 5 over 2, it is 2.5. Difference is 3, 3 ऐड करते जाओ यहाँ, it is 5.5, 8.5, then 11.5, then 14.5, then 17.5. Then we have to find the value of fi xi. अब यहाँ थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा, क्यों? यहाँ डेसिमल आ गए हैं, तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व कर लेंगे इजीली. अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज another method, that is the assumed mean method also. fi xi will be ये 0, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 1, 15 और 1 16, it is 165. It is 0, 4 5 ज़ा 20, it is 2, 4 8 ज़ा 32 and 4 34. I think it will be 184. 16 5 ज़ा 80, 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसकी, 4 भी 2, 58, it is 70. So we have to find the value of sigma fi xi. It is 0. So fi xi comes out to be 832. So we have this one as sigma fi. So we will find the mean equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, 832.0 divided by 100, and it comes out to be 8.32. So we have in this way calculated the mean value. It is 8.32. We have to then calculate median. For median we have formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiply H. So we will find first of all CF. CF is 6 plus 30, 36, plus 40, 76, plus 16, 92, plus 4, 96, and then 100. So these are the values matching each other. So our method is correct. So we have n as 100. So n by 2 comes out to be 50. So here the number nearer to 50 is 76. इसके सामने वाली class, that one is 7 to 10. So median class is 7 to 10. This gives the value of L as 7. Then we have to find the value of H, the difference between upper limit and lower limit, it is 3. CF comes out to be, ये मीडियन क्लास थी, इसके ऊपर वाली जो वैल्यू है दैट इज CF, एंड देन F is the frequency of median class. This one is the value of F. So put the values. So you have median equals to L is 7 plus n by 2. n by 2 is 50 minus CF 36 upon F 40 multiply 3, ये आ जाएगा 14 मल्टीप्लाई 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 40. लिख सकते हो इसको इस तरह, 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो मिल जाएगा 10.5 divided by 10, it is 7 plus 1.05, it is 8.05 as the median value. Now we have to find the mode also. So in order to calculate mode, we have the formula for mode as मोड किसके बराबर है, इट इज L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 अपॉन 2F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 मल्टीप्लाई H. तो मोड निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम, जो हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है ये, इसके सामने वाली क्लास model class. So we have model class as again 7 to 10 because 40 is the highest one. So L is 7. Now we have to find the values of F1, F0 and F2. So what is F1? F1 is the फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मॉडल क्लास. F1 क्या आ जाएगा, मॉडल क्लास ये है, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो 40 है, जो इसके ऊपर वाली है वो 30, और जो इसके नीचे वाली है वो F2 comes out to be 16 and H is again 3. So put the values in the formula. You will have 7 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 30 over 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 multiply, it is 7 plus 10 multiply 3 over 80 minus 46, it will be 7 plus 30 over 80 में से 40.6 माइनस किए तो हमारे पास आ गया 44. तो 30 को 44 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 30 को 44 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर कुछ 0.7 के करीब आएगा. 40 से जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारे पास 30 divided by 40, 4, 7, it is 6. 0.67, so it is 7.67 answer. Similarly, we have one more question in this exercise, and the question is find the median weight of the students from the given data. We have given the data, we have to again find the median weight. So to calculate median, we have to find the CF, and its sum is 30. CF, it is 2 plus 3, 5, 13, 19, 25, 28 and 30. So here we have n as 30. What is n by 2? It is 15. So the number nearer to 15 is nearer to 15 but greater than 15 is 19. So इसके सामने वाली साइड median class is 55 to 60. Then we have to find the value of CF. इसके सामने ऊपर वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी CF में 13, इसके सामने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी F and H is 5. So L the value जो है that is lower limit of the median class. Formula is median L plus n by 2 minus CF into H over F. L is 55 plus n by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 over F is 6 and it is 5. It is 55 plus 2 into 5, 10 over 6. 6 1 ja 6, 4 0. Approximately 56.7. So you will have the median for the (56.7 kilogram). Students, if you have any query regarding this chapter, you can comment me in the comment section, and in case if there is any mistake regarding the multiplication, then you can yourself check it. Thank you.